Here's the owl box I made a few years ago, and picture from the outside where it's you can see it's quite high up on the barn, which gives it great views over the countryside and lots of feeding ground. Recently it's been used for pigeons more than owls. We've had quite a few nesting pigeons in there and quite a few young being born there. If you look closely, you can see the couple of eggs down the bottom there, and in the next clip you can just see one of the young which has been born now. The pigeon has to go and feed every now and again, and this has given the owl an opportunity. He's been in a few times just checking the box out, but now it looks like he's found lunch. We are hoping that the owl will stay with us at some point. It's been in and out of the box since we made the box. We had a visit within a few days, but no nesting yet. But as it seems to keep on coming in and out, I'm hoping one day we will see some young in there.